Enough with the toy, Bingo. Pico, what's the status?
The target is clear. Permission to engage, Commander.
Alert! Alert! Human left snacks in the kitchen! This better not be a false alarm, bird.
Operation Snack Attack begins now.
Bingo believed strength was the answer.
Mayday! We have a breach. The package is compromised.
Milo preferred elegance and precision.
And so, they chose teamwork. Theoretically, the worst idea.
AG.
But destiny.
Or perhaps gravity.